Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy dogs coin on Binance. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into, and also check out my link in the description of Binance $100 bonus. Now, once you are on Binance, there's a few ways how you can buy dogs. You can go ahead to the trade option in the middle, and from here you can go ahead and search for dogs. You will see that you have an option to use USDT or USDC, BNB, and some other options. So I'm just going to choose USDT maybe. And as you can see, you can go ahead, enter the amount of dogs you want to buy, click buy dogs. And after that, you will be able to have it and see it on your account. So this is one way how you can buy it. Another way would be to convert it from, for example, you can use also USDT. And just like so, from USDT or from some other coin, you can go ahead and convert dogs. So you just enter and that's how much you would get. Now, another way would be to buy it with your credit card by going on your wallet, click on buy, and to use P2P trading or buy with your currency. So I'm just gonna buy it with my currency. And after that, from here, you can go ahead and choose dogs, enter the amount you want to spend, and that's how much dogs you will get. The fee is around 20 cents, so it's not that much. And yeah, that's basically it. From here, you can go ahead and choose an option to pay with. So there's an option like a card, your Spot wallet, or Apple Pay. And after that, you just basically click buy. And you will see your dogs on your account right here, on your Spot account. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.